dear technicians, you are welcome to my new video. This is Infinix Hot 50i. Can you see? This is Infinix Hot 50i, and today I want to show you how you can factory restore this phone. And the reason why we are restoring this phone is because the owner forgot the password. If in case you forget your password and then you want to learn how to restore or reset the phone, this is how you go about it. You can see, trying different pattern is not opening, it's not unlocking. Can you see? Can you see? You can see that it is not unlocking. You can see the phone is locked. Try again, 26 seconds. Can you see it is not unlocking? So what you do, you power off the phone, power it off. Can you see the phone has been powered off? Okay, so now what you do, you see this volume up and this power button. You're going to hold both of them at the same time, volume up and power button. Now after you press the both of them and the Infinix logo shows up, you now release the power button and then continue holding the volume up button for you to enter the recovery menu. So now 1, 2, go. Can you see? Then release the power button but keep holding the volume up button. Can you see? You can see no command. So now you hold this for like 2 seconds and then you press the volume up button to enter the recovery menu fully. So 1, 2, go. Can you see? And then you scroll down. You can see all the options. So you can see wipe data stroke factory reset. Can you see? So now you use your power button to enter and then scroll down, factory data reset. Use your power button. You can see it is wiping data, formatting data. Can you see? Data wipe complete. So with this now you have successfully reset this phone. Now reboot system now so that you can configure your phone for usage. Thank you for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye bye for now. And also you can watch the next video on how to bypass the FRP on this particular phone. The video will be pinned in the comment section. Thank you.